করছে। তোমার মাথায় তো ঠান্ডা টাকানো যাচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, উপরে লাইট করেছো? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ লাইট।
নাকি
To wait for a while. Thank you. Everyone to maintain social distancing. Please, as a blessing of this building, Father, we thank you and pray for completion. Lord of heaven and earth, may that we may have you as our faith and honor you of this great way. Stay with us, Lord. Of this holiness of this institution, you have no place to lay permit, but a friend. Grant that this end not be with you, and with your spirit. May Almighty God and our Holy Spirit.
ঠিক ঠিক না না বলতো
Thank you. I will be
না না
our founder, sir, he knelt before the crucifix, offered prayers to the. It's a privilege for all. Of St. Augustine's Day School Director.
দাঁড়া এক সেকেন্ড नहीं लगता আমি তো যেন হাতের মধ্যে লক করে নিচ্ছি। এটা কোন হবে না নাকি? হাতটার মধ্যে দেখে পজিশনটা দেখে দাদা ঠিক আছে তো? আরে আমি লক করে নিয়েছি।
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. We have gathered here to inaugurate the new building of our school. It is a moment of pride and celebration for the management, staff, students, parents, and all the stakeholders of St. Augustine's Day School, Barakpur. This new wing has added a distinctive hallmark to the existing edifice of learning, leadership, and loyalty. I request our President Ma'am, Mrs. Janet Gaspar Chaudhary, and our CEO Sir, Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary, to please come forward and inaugurate the new school building by taking the ribbon.
Your left hand and my right hand. তুমি বাঁ হাতে দাও আমি দাও।
Give a warm round of applause. Let us pay our homage and regards to the great man for whom we all are here today. I would request our President Ma'am to shower petals to pay respect and homage to our very own Rector Sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our CEO sir, please come forward to shower petals. Now may I request our President ma'am, Mrs. Janet Castro Chaudhary, to share a few words with us. Ma'am, over to you.
Good morning, good afternoon to everyone present, Principal Ma'am, Chuma Miss, and all the heads, coordinators, teachers, staff, and very, very especially to all the parents and the children who are watching this online. It is unfortunate that on such a happy occasion, because of the difficult times, we are not able to have everybody here. It would have been so good to have our parents and our children especially physically here. But children, don't worry, very soon you all will come and you will see what a lovely building Principal Ma'am and the entire team are getting ready. It's already ready. So we just have to wait, be patient, continue with our online classes until such time the situation allows us to bring all of you to school. I know a lot of parents are keen that the children do class in the campus. Online class is not as good. Even we believe that. The class in the school with friends, with teachers is best. But it is not in our hands. We have to wait till it is safe for everyone. And today, on Founders Day, which is the birth anniversary, 79th birth anniversary of our founder, my father, a new building is a gift. On birthdays, we all get gifts. My father also would get gifts from the students, the little children, a small coffee, a small chocolate, all were very precious. So today, we are all getting a gift in the name of the founder, a gift back to the students. And I'm sure today, if our founder was here with us, he would be very, very happy. Today is a very happy day, a Founders Day for us. Let us all celebrate, let us all enjoy, and let us all take St. Augustine to the greatest height possible. Happy Founders Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our CEO sir to share a few words with us. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you who have gathered here, to all the children who are viewing online, to all the parents. Let me first wish all of you a very happy Founders Day. This is a special day in all our lives, in all the St. Augustinians' life. 5th of May will always remain a very special day. Our founder, late Mr. C.S. Asper, was a visionary. Without a great vision, you cannot achieve what he has achieved. He has opened not only one school, but 3 schools. And it is not at all an easy job. It is a difficult job. There is a saying that when one school opens, 100 doors of prison closes. It is absolutely true. We have to keep the good work that he has started. And I am very happy to lead and to head the operations of a very motivated team. And the team consists of the principals, the vice principals, all my colleagues here, all my beloved parents and students. I feel very proud to carry on the good work that our lectures have started. I am sure that he guides us in our daily life. He is there with his spirit. He lives in our dreams. He is there everywhere. And that is the reason we can achieve year on year whatever we are achieving. Today in the morning, we did a Eucharistic celebrations. Some of you have joined. And there was a line in the prayer that God still loves us. And God will continue to love us. And if God continues to love us, God lives within us. And God has today guided to come up with the idea of this new primary section. We as a team are committed to give the best of facilities to our children, to all our staff, and especially our students. And in continuation of the commitment, we have come up with this new building or with this new campus. It is a fruit of a lot of hard work for the last 12 to 14 months. Each laborer, the engineers, the painters, all of them have worked very hard. I am not naming any individual because that would be right. It is again a teamwork that all of us have achieved. I am thankful to all of them, to each laborer, to each vendor, to each painter, to each one of you who has contributed here, who has contributed for this building. But ultimately, we want the student back. President Bank has very rightly said that we want to make the online classes very interesting. Digital learning is a new chapter in our life. Digital learning is a new scale, a new era, a new excitement. We have just completed one session, and we completed it in a very commanding manner. All our students have completed their session. They have gone into the new session. They got promoted to the new class. They all got the new books. They all got the new syllabus. They are receiving the new curriculum. The prize fee is coming. The school is on. The school is moving. And it is moving because we are guided and we are committed that we have to, and we have to give education to all. Education cannot stop. It has to continue. I understand all our families, all of us are worried with the current COVID-19 situation and with the current situation. Yes, we are fighting, we are learning. I request you all that whatever are the government guidelines, please follow that. Please follow the discipline that our parents or our students, especially, whatever the parents are asking to you, please follow that. Please follow the COVID guidelines very strictly. This is the only duty that we can do, and this is the only love that we can show for our nation. There are a lot of COVID warriors who are fighting day and night. We can only support them by not following it. Please wear your mask whenever you are out or you are in. Please avoid social gatherings. You can understand that there are very few here who have gathered, and that too we are maintaining the social distance. That is one request that we all do, or we are personally thanking to all our students, to all our colleagues, to all our staff. And at the end, I will say that this is pass through. Any crisis is not permanent. It is just a challenge to how good you are prepared. It is just a challenge that we are facing, but this will also pass through. We are facing, this is the second time or second year that we are doing the Founders Day in this manner, in this online manner. And here, next year it won't happen this way. We will have better days. We will celebrate in different ways. But whatever it is, we will celebrate, we will educate our children. The school will on, the classes will be on, education first. And to keep education first, the buildings will come, the infrastructures will come, we all will be committed to getting the best. Thank you, and wish all of you a very, very happy Founders Day. It will remain a special day, and it will continue to be a special day in our lives. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It is rightly said that the destiny of a nation is written in its classrooms. So now it's time for us to visit the new classrooms of this new building. Following all the COVID-19 protocols, in order to maintain social distancing, we have formed groups to visit the classrooms. First, Group A will visit the classrooms, followed by others. Group A includes our President Ma'am, our CEO Sir, Governing Body Member Father Rodney Borneo, Mr. Nathan Gaspar Chaudhary, our respected Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am. I request all of you to please proceed forward to visit the new classrooms. Thank you. I request others, rest of you to please wait in the guest room there. As the first group completes its visit, you can go to the rooms after them. I request all of you to wait in the guest room.
This is for class 1.
Come, Mrs. Guiding. This is for the UKG class. Chota Bean class. This looks so nice.
Yes, sir. This is LKG. This is LKG.
This is the distinct class.
Now we come to the nursery. This is the nursery room. Oh, next is the activity room. So now we come to the most important room, the activity room, on which is the strength of the school. This is the Montessori room that the children do their activity. So I will ask Rishika or teacher from the preparatory section to explain a few more. Good afternoon, everyone.
So Montessori is a very scientific way of teaching and learning, and here in Montessori method we emphasize on individual growth of every children, because we know that all the children cannot learn in the same pace. They will learn at their own pace, and Montessori method helps that. So the children become much more independent and confident, self-reliant, as they have the sense of responsibility. Now, Montessori method, different activities are there. First, we will start with EPL, that is exercise of practical life, and it helps the children for better coordination and motor development. First, these are sitting mats. These are working mats. Children, when they enter the activity room, they take the mats and they sit on the floor. They don't sit on chair. They do their work on the mat. These are beads and lace, fitting toys. When the children come to the school for the first time, it takes time to get settled. So we give them fitting toys, and they can, first of all, they can learn the names and recognize the animals, shapes, and they can do experiments like this one will not fit anywhere else, so you have to put this one here only. So they can learn that I have to put this one here only, and it helps them for motor control. Some pairing cards, some more fitting toys, soft toys. We use them for like storytelling. When we tell stories to the children, we use all these things.
Can you show me one?
Yeah.
Can you put it in and show me one?
What is your name? Are you enjoying? Okay, like this, we tell the stories and children really have fun. And from here, sensorial activities, the materials are starting, which stimulates the senses of the children. So here they can see, they can touch, they can feel, and through that they learn. Brown stairs, pink tower. Children arrange the blocks from bigger to smaller size. It helps with the coordination of movement and it gives them better idea about the size, dimension and the shape. Cylinder blocks, red rods, color tablets, drawing insets, constructive triangles. This is touch board. Some children, it is better for them when they are hearing things, they can learn it. Some of them learn by seeing the tactile sense and they can recognize, they can differentiate between the rougher and smoother surface. Now we will continue over there. Language activities, and here we teach them phonic sound, not the traditional way of A, B, C, D. So when the child is learning the cursive pattern for the first time, we give them sandpaper letter. This is called sandpaper letter, and first we show them the letter. Then we ask them to trace. With 2 fingers they will trace the letter like this. And after that we ask them to tell the sound. What is the sound? The sound is A. The sound is A. So they are seeing, they are touching and they are feeling. So this is a multi-sensory experience for the children. So that is very helpful for them. This is the movable alphabet box. Children can make the words with it. Picture cards. We show them the picture and we ask them the sound. And when they are very much thorough with the sound, we give them the reading cards. They read the words. Now from here, the number work activities and all the EPL and sensorial activities that you have seen, these are actually the background preparation for number work activities. Number rods with number cards. Spindle box. Here see the numbers are written here from 0 to 9. Here first the children gets to know the number, the proper sequence of the number. Then they will try to relate the number with the quantity. See, in the number 1, 1 spindle is there. 2's house, 2 spindles are there. Likewise, they can relate with the quantity and they get to know the concept of 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing is there. 0 means nothing. Then cards and counters, golden bits that helps the children with the place value, static cards, first Sega board, second Sega board, geometrical solids, addition and subtraction board, and multiplication board. So when the children are learning multiplication, we tell them that multiplication is repetitive addition, nothing else. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 bits are there. 2 times 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits are here. 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bits are here. So when they are learning the tables, it is very helpful for the children.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
I have never seen this kind of apparatus in any other school.
Yeah.
Montessori
Montessori.
in our school is the only school.
Yes, our school is the only school.
And I'm so happy to see this. I've learned so much.
I just wanted to ask a question to Rishika Miss. As a teacher, how do you feel about this activity room? The newly renovated activity room?
I am really very happy to see the activity room be so big and spacious. Now so my children can enjoy the activities, because normally when children enter the activity room, they don't want to leave.
Correct.
So this time all the materials are at the display. They will really enjoy that. I can just imagine.
So how many children do you make them sit in the activity room when
One.
you have the activities?
One full section can enter. one whole section can enter. It is so spacious, they
But
can sit
with
together.
the COVID-19 norms, I think now we need to be very cautious.
Yeah.
Now we will do alternate days, so it will be half of the entire class can be supervised. And you were doing something about the phonic sounds. Can you just explain it to us? How do we teach our children in the nursery?
Yes, so we don't teach them in the traditional way, like A, B, C, D, we don't do that. Instead, we show them the phonic sound. We start with the vowel sound. That is, it is not A, it is A. The sound is A. The symbol is called A, but the sound is A. Then comes the vowel sound E. I, the sound it makes is E. Likewise, O, A and A. So when the children are learning the phonic sound, it becomes easier for the children to read the words. So there is no need for rote learning. Suppose once the children knows that ka, a, cat, cat, he or she can read bat, cat, mat, all the words with a sound, because the technique is more or less same. So there is no need for rote learning here. That is very beneficial for the children.
So Rishita, Miss, you feel the teachers will be happy here?
Yeah, more
With
than
the
happy.
children?
Yes.
Thank
I'm very happy.
Because we want to see the children back, correct?
Yes.
We want the children back and we
We are
want the
waiting
children
for
back.
them. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
And congratulations.
Thank you.
We hope the children can come back soon.
We are waiting for them only.
With this, we have come to the end of today's program. I will request our principal now, Mrs. G. Biswas, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. It's my proud privilege as the principal of St. Augustine's Day School, Barracoon, to express my vote of thanks. Now, starting with, today is Rector Sir's birthday. I had the privilege of working with him. What a dynamic person. If I could have spoken to Sir directly, now I want to speak to Sir, where Sir is there. He is watching us. Sir, we miss you. But Sir, though last 1 year it has been difficult, but we have tried to keep up your dream. We are trying our level best. Now the catalyst, those who help us to keep this dream alive is our President, Mrs. Janet Gaspar Chaudhary, and our CEO, Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary. A vision without action is meaningless. What is our vision? With the wings of change, we aspire to create a learning environment. Parents, students, well-wishers, this is a part of the learning environment. Without the correct ambience, without the correct infrastructure, learning environment cannot happen. So we are trying every year, every moment to create that learning environment. I today have the privilege to have two governing body members, Father Rodney Morio, Mr. Nathan Gaspar Chaudhary, with CEO and President Ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude to the governing body members because they have always been supportive. I attend their meetings and I see how they appreciate our efforts. This is always needed to motivate oneself. Next, as I said, my gratitude to the President and the CEO. I express my thanks to the team who is there with me
the teachers, the coordinators, the heads, the staff who worked behind this entire thing who did till 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock yesterday. My admin staff, my service and security, everybody here, the HR, the IT, we could not have been successful without you. Thank you so much. And to the parents, I will complete like CEO sir said, today morning we had a Eucharistic celebration. There, Father told a story or an incident. For the parents, I would say that. He said, there were a few climbers who were climbing the mountain. So, we all know when they climb the mountain, they have each one attached to the other. And they hook on to the mountain so that they can climb down. And he was saying, in between one or two fell. But they could ultimately climb down. Why, parents? Because there is a connect. We are tied together. If I fall, you will pull me up. If you fall, I will pull you up. And together we will win. Because we will come back and we will come back very soon. Thank you so much.
With this, we have come to the end of today's program. Let us call it a day. We may disperse now. Thank you.
সেভ অপশন আছে, ঠিক আছে,
এন্ড করে দিচ্ছি।
ওইটা
এন্ড করে দিচ্ছি।
সেভ মতো অপশন, ওকে, রানিং এখানে